Okay, welcome back to part three. In this video, part three of the Law of Creation of Energy video series. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating the ReGen-X quantum motor that employs created electromagnetic field energy in order to perform positive electromechanical work without any externally supplied input energy. So we're going to bring the system up to rotational equilibrium once again, and then we're going to engage the motor coils, and you'll be able to see kinetic energy increase in the system, and you'll be able to monitor the prime mover's consumption, which drops by about 200 watts, denoting that the ReGen-X quantum motor is performing positive work and accelerating the system. Equilibrium, and I will place the ReGen-X motor coils on load, and we will observe an increase in kinetic energy with no additionally supplied input energy to the system. System, our input power consumption for the prime mover has dropped to 386 watts, and we are performing positive work with created electromagnetic field energy. I'll put it back into, I'll take the ReGen-X coils off load again. Induction motor is doing all the work, and it's consuming 588 watts. And we'll put the ReGen-X quantum motor on load again, and it will increase the system, and it'll work in concert with the induction motor and increase the kinetic energy of the system. So we only have 4 coils in the prototype. It's built for 12. And as you can see, each time we engage ReGen-X quantum motor coil, we perform additional positive work and kinetic energy increase in our system. at infinite efficiency with no additionally supplied input power to our induction motor, and with a induction motor power decrease of about 200 watts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Cheers for now.